Here, I welcome to all my dear students. In the last lecture, we had seen meaning and definition of planning, characteristics of planning. Today, we are going to learn essential of effective planning, need and importance of planning, and types of planning. So, let's start with the need and importance of planning. Essential of effective planning. Planning is an essential for the success of any businesses organization. It is an important function of management. Planning can be more effective. The following factors are taken into consideration. The first point is well-defined objectives. Objectives are the ultimate goals towards all the activities of the organization are directed. Objectives should be clear and accurate, and good plan is based on objective. Thereafter, next point is simple and easy to understand. Good plan should be simple and to understand by every employee. Those who are implementing stated that simplicity in the plan in all fields of human activity, extensive organized action is required. Next point is flexible. Effective planning also have the element of flexibility. It should be capable and modified to meet the change conditions. Cost of flexibility should not exceed benefits. According to R.C. Davies said, planning should be flexible. So, changes may be affected according to changing circumstances without having financial work and efficiency losses. Next point is economical. A good plan is achieves the objectives a minimum possible cost. The plan minimum sources may be spent on the formulation and evolution of the plan. Thereafter, next point is balance. It is necessary that there is a proper coordination between the plans, different departments, and different types of plan. Short-term and long-term plans, and so on. The plans of different departments are well balanced. Next point is stable. Good plan have a quality of stability. That means The plan may not require extensive charges to changes in the external environment. Next point is consistency. Organization should be consistent with other plans in the organization. Therefore, every plan should be consistent with the departmental plans. Departmental or functional plans should be consistent with the overall plan. Thereafter, next point is continuity. It means that a new plan should a link and continuity with the existing plan. Next point is practicable. Effective planning should be practical. Plan should be such which easily implemented, and plan is not practicable. Next is participation. All should participation in planning. The manager should have involved those who are implementing the plans. And last point is written. Writing the plans, thoughts, enhance preparations, learning experience, etc. So, these were the various essential of effective planning. In this slide, now we will discuss need and importance of planning. Planning coordinates activities of the organization to achieve the objectives. It is most important and fundamental functions of management. Planning is necessary to avoid confusion and organization. Planning is valuable to managers due to the following reasons. The first point is focuses on objectives. Planning is done to achieve the objectives of the organization. The ways and means to achieve the objectives through the planning. Efforts of all the employees towards the achievement of organizational goals. Thereafter, next point is increases efficiency. Planning makes optimum utilization of all available resources. Planning replaces operation by orderly actions. Thereafter, next point is planning reduces the risk of uncertainties. Organizations have to face an unexpected situation every day. Next point is helps optimum utilization of resources. Sound planning helps the organization for the proper allocation of the resources among various plans and activities. This helps in achieving the optimum utilization of resources and enterprises. Next point is facilities coordination. Planning facilities is an organization. The departmental plans from the main organizational plan. There will be coordination in different departments. On the other hand, the manager and non-managers, all the employees are following courses of action according to plan. Thereafter, next point is encourages innovation and creativity. Planning required thinking and it is an intellectual process. So there is a great scope, better ideas and better method. Next point is planning enables a company to remain competitive. Planning provides competitive strength to the company who properly forecast and plan their activities. And last point is provides a basic for control. Controlling means checking whether the activities are carried out according to the plans. So these were the various needs and importance of planning. In this slide, now we will discuss types of planning. Organizations have many different types of plans operating at all times. The major categories of plans are as follows. The first point is based on nature. And first is operational plan. Operational plans are formulated by lower level managers. These plans focus on short range action and to plan schedules and budgets. These plans are concerned with day-to-day operations of the organization. Next is administrative planning. These plans are formulated by middle level managers. The foundation for the operative plans. Plans are concerned with the various organizational units and ensures implementation of strategic plans. Next is strategic plans. These plans are formulated by top to management and achieve the overall objectives of the organization. Next point is based on the managerial level. And first subpoint is top level plans. These plans are long range which are formulated by top level management. The formulation of the goals and objectives of an organization. It is concerned with the formulation of plans to achieve the objectives. Next is middle level plans. The plans are prepared by middle level management. These are prepared by the managers or departmental heads to achieve the departmental goals. Next is lower level plans. The plans are lower level management by supervisors or foremen. These plans are related to day-to-day work and its problems. Third point is based on time. The first sub-point is long-term plan. These plans are prepared for more than 5 years and usually referred to strategic plans. Next is medium or intermediate plans. These plans are usually for the period 1 to 5 years period. Such plans include budgets for the purchase of material, production, and administrative expenses. Last point is short-range plans. The short-term plan usually extends from few weeks to 1 year. These are specific with respect plan, location, work method, and continuous employee training. Next point is based on the frequency of use. And first subpoint is standing plans. These plans are designed for repeated, ongoing activities. Second is single-use plan. These plans are used once for a unique situation or to deal non-repetitive problem. Next point is based on organizational scope. Some plans focus on the entire organization. These are called business or divisional level plans. Next is formal planning and informal planning. Formal planning is systematically carried by management and specific in black and white goals and steps to achieve them. And informal planning is thinking by some individuals may become the basis of format planning. And last point is physical planning. It is concerned that the physical location and arrangement of building and equipment. So these were the various types of planning. Thank you.